Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I will show off a special computer. This is an NBZ80-S, a learning platform from 1979 based on the Z80 processor. Not the original one though, because the product was created by the Italian company SGS ATES that produced a clone of the famous Z80 processor. We can see this product in a few computer magazines from 1979 advertising it as a learning platform for computer enthusiasts. This product was sold in different versions. The NBZ80, the basic model that just included the motherboard and the hexadecimal keyboard. The NBZ80A that also included the power supply. It may sound weird to some that there was a version without the power supply, but I think that the reason is that in 1979 a lot of computer science enthusiasts were also electronics enthusiasts, so they were able to make a power supply themselves. A better option was the NBZ80B that added a case for the whole unit, and the one that I got, the NBZ80S, that also included a prototyping platform with a breadboard and direct access to the system buses. This made for a great learning platform for both computer science and electronics, so much so that this computer was used in some Italian schools. At the top of the line was the NBZ80HL that provided additional ROM with a basic interpreter and a video interface to connect a monitor, making it a real home computer. The one that I own is the NBZ80S. I got it from a local seller the other day and I'm very excited about it. Let me do a little close-up of the system. This is the main board where the actual computer is located. Next up is the hexadecimal keyboard with a 8-digit 7-segment display. And at last, the prototyping board. Unfortunately, the seller told me that when he turned it on, the system powered up for a second before shutting down, not to power up again. And because of that I was waiting for some fried chips. But after I checked the fuse, I noticed that it was blown and that it also had some strange bubbles. But I don't actually know if that's something normal, because I've actually never seen a blown fuse before, so I'm not sure if that's how it is supposed to look. After checking the power supply for any visible damage, I decided to look at the schematics, just to realize that the fuse was supposed to be rated for 1 amps and not for 0.2 as the one that was blown. Hoping that that was the only problem, I decided to give it a try. And as you can see, it powers up. But there is another problem. All of the top segments of the display don't work. In the next video we will try to fix that and maybe run some tests on the machine. If you want to see the follow-up videos, please subscribe and leave a like. Thank you for watching.